Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So, if you have access to your physical keyboard, or maybe you have an external one, you can use the shortcut to enable on-screen keyboard, which is Windows Ctrl O buttons pressed at the same time, like this. If you press them like this, you'll see the on-screen keyboard basically on your screen, and this one can be resized, reshaped, however you want. You can drag it along the screen, you can move the sides of it, and basically make it fit any of your needs. You can basically use it normally. It also has the numpad to it, so if you want to use the numpad, which you don't have on this laptop, you can also use this on-screen keyboard. Okay, and if you don't have access to your physical keyboard, you can enable this keyboard by going into Start menu, Settings, selecting Accessibility, then selecting Keyboard in the Interaction section, and then you can enable on-screen keyboard by switching this toggle right here. And basically does the same thing. Now, if you don't want to go to the settings each time you want to open the screen keyboard, you can do this in a different way. So go into personalization, go to the taskbar, and then select the touch keyboard. Find the touch keyboard and change this one setting to always. And as you can see, it enabled this icon on the taskbar, and if you click on it once, it will enable the on-screen keyboard for you, which doesn't have it doesn't have numpad, and it also is less manageable. You can't move it; it just appears on your screen, and you can simply enable or hide it. But if you want quick access to the keyboard, it's in my opinion the best option. So you simply have to click right here, and you have the entire keyboard for yourself. And basically, that's it. That's all the options for you to use the on-screen keyboard on your PC. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel and leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.